Hello, this is Doug, and welcome to an episode of Copy My Trades. It is the 26th of September, just after 8 in the evening. And we can see here, I'm looking at the silver price charts. Recently, I had a successful trade close as my stop loss was hit as silver prices came back. And I was disappointed that my stop loss was hit. The intent of this trade was to hold for a very long time and to leave my stop loss back far enough where the market could do its moves. So anyway, I've reopened another long position in silver here now, just a few minutes ago, and I wanted to do this video to talk about the price of silver and why I put this trade back on. So my intent is to hold this for a very long time, months, years, because I'm holding it at 1-to-1 leverage so that there is no daily fees to it. And I'm looking at the hourly price of silver. So I'm really looking at an intraday price chart pattern here at this 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. The prices are showing strength off that, so I wanted to put my position back on. And I wanted to do that because I was looking at the daily charts, and I see the prices have pushed lower than they have recently and broken through some important technical levels there. And as I expand out to the weekly chart and see how this goes back over time, many times it's pushed right down to this level, pushed right down to this level, and then been going up from there since the middle of August. And if we expand it out in these little charts that we have and look at the yearly view and expand this out, we can see that it is really important technical support and resistance levels all the way along right now at this time. So when I zoom back in and I see what's going on at this moment, I thought, oh, it's time to put that trade back on and watch it. Now, if I'm not right, I'll be closing this trade right away and I'll take that loss. And if it proves me correct, then I'm going to put a stop loss up underneath that trade right away to protect the money that's here in the publicly shared trade. This one and the oil trade as well. And the other trades that I have in place here are for gold and silver. We have copper here now is available as a trade. And so I am stocking up on long positions in the commodities and a little bit of a short position in the S&P 500 at this time right now. So I'm watching this silver trade. I don't like to hold it if it doesn't prove me right immediately. So it's still above my entry costs as I entered just a few minutes before I started making this video. And I also want to compare this to the price chart of gold, which is not made a bottom formation, but has made new lows here. And when I zoom out to the daily chart, we can see that it is within the lows of recent daily chart levels here. And so that gives me a feeling that silver prices are probably going to rebound or gold prices are going to crack. So if gold prices crack down, then I'll definitely close my silver trade. So I'm watching the two markets really closely right now to see how this one's going. And should it show weakness and start going down further, then it has not proved me correct and I'll get out of this trade. So thanks for following along and checking out the video here. One of the focuses I want to concentrate on is to review other people's trades. I'm happy to see myself in the list of the successful traders here with this small gain this month, but I'm interested to learn more about what Snortex is doing. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up.